What is that particular food that your family cherish so much and you ensure that it's available at all times? It might be healthy or not very healthy one, but because it's a delight in the family, you ensure that it's available all the time. And I tell you, when it's not there, it seems there's no food. You hear there's nothing to eat, even if you have every other thing in the house. Mom, there's nothing to eat. Mine is jollof rice. What's yours? Jollof rice is an African staple food, a delicacy. You hardly have a party without jollof rice. And I tell you, kids love it. They can sacrifice any other thing for jollof rice. So whenever I'm making it, I try to upgrade it from the ordinary to enhance it so that it becomes as a functional food to promote wellness. How do you enhance yours? With my sneaky chef apron, I've already had enough veg in the stew. So, to those who don't like showing salad with their rice, no worries. I've got your back. Thank you for watching.